The devastating effects of abuse on the brain. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive deep into the intricate and often devastating effects that abuse can have on the human brain. Abuse comes in many forms: physical, emotional, verbal, and more. Its impact is profound, not only on the body, but also on the mind. Let's explore how abuse alters the brain structure and function, leading to long-lasting consequences. What really happens to the brain during abuse? When a person faces abuse, their brain undergoes significant changes. The prolonged exposure to stress and trauma triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can damage the hippocampus, a vital region for memory and emotions. As a result, the individual may struggle with memory problems, mood disorders, and difficulty regulating emotions. The effects of childhood abuse on brain development. Childhood abuse, in particular, can have profound effects on brain development. The brain is highly malleable during childhood, and exposure to abuse can disrupt the normal development of crucial brain areas, such as the prefrontal cortex. This region is responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and social behavior. Children who experience abuse may exhibit impulsivity, aggression, and difficulties in forming healthy relationships. The impact of abuse on emotional regulation. Abuse can also impair the brain's ability to regulate emotions effectively. The amygdala, known as the brain's fear center, can become hypersensitive in individuals who have experienced abuse. This heightened reactivity can lead to exaggerated emotional responses, increased anxiety, and a constant state of hypervigilance. Long-term consequences of abuse on the brain. The effects of abuse on the brain can persist long into adulthood. Adults who have experienced abuse during childhood may be at a higher risk of developing mental health disorders like depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and even substance abuse. These individuals may also struggle with self-esteem issues, trust problems, and difficulties in forming healthy attachments. Healing and recovery. Despite the profound effect of abuse on the brain, it's essential to know that healing and recovery are possible. Therapy, support groups, and other interventions can help individuals affected by abuse to reshape their brain patterns and create new, healthier neural pathways. With time, patience, and a supportive environment, the brain can adapt and heal from the scars of abuse. So never give up hope. Abuse leaves a long-lasting imprint on the brain, shaping the way we think, feel, and interact with the world. By understanding the effects of abuse on the brain, we can take the necessary steps to support survivors, raise awareness, and work towards building a safer and more empathetic society. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, you are not alone. There's always help available. Take care of yourself and others. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay healthy. Bye.